Hi there, I'm Robert Fooks, partner with McLeod Law here in Calgary. During my more than 20 years of practicing law, my focus has been on owner-operated businesses, family business, and entrepreneurs, and doing what I can to assist them in being as successful as possible in their ventures. This video is part of a series of videos I've created on various legal topics that I've seen in my practice as being relevant and important to this particular group of clients. As I hope you'll see from my videos, in addition to helping you ensure that your business is protected and compliant with the law, I'm even more interested in providing legal advice that business owners can use as part of their overall strategy to make their businesses as successful as possible. Regardless of the business that you're involved with or the stage you're at, I'm certain that my videos will provide you with not only technical but also practical input and advice to help you along your business journey. If this is the first time you're viewing one of my videos, I hope you enjoy it and find it valuable. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. In this particular video, I'm going to be touching on some of the more common legal issues faced by owners of small businesses. Since the choice of how you structure your business is the foundation of it, it makes sense to start here. The most common business structures that you're going to be involved with are corporations, partnerships, and to a lesser extent, joint ventures. Each type of business structure has pros and cons, and importantly, each has different tax implications and consequences. The choice of business structure should therefore also include input from an accountant as well as your lawyer to ensure it's the best for you and your particular situation. Having a properly formed business can also provide protection for your personal assets, make it easier to raise capital, and establish credibility with customers and suppliers. Next up are contracts and other similar agreements. Now, for better or for worse, gone are the days when you could safely get things done on a handshake or the back of a napkin, but please keep an eye out for my video where I talk about the value of a napkin contract. But regardless, having proper written contracts and agreements in place are a crucial part of any business. Intellectual property is another area where business owners often require legal services. And what can make this area particularly challenging is that it's not always evident if you have intellectual property or what kind of IP it might be. The most common types of intellectual property are patent, trademark, and copyright, and each covers off different things, and each has different rights and ownership details. So unless you know what kind of IP you are dealing with or have, you won't be able to properly protect it. So this is definitely an area worthy of some legal advice and input. Lawyers can also help with the enforcement of those legal IP rights if that becomes necessary. Now, it's hard to operate most businesses without the help of others, so small business owners also need to be aware of employment laws, employment rules, and similar regulations. Having advice and knowledge regarding hiring and firing practices, compliance with wage and hour laws, and the handling of workplace discrimination and harassment claims is critical if you are to avoid employment issues. Even the creation of stock option or other incentive plans is an area where an experienced lawyer can assist you. These are just a few of the more common legal issues faced by small business owners, and by getting solid and practical legal advice from your lawyer, you can not just ensure that your business is protected and compliant with the law, but you can also increase your chances for success and growth in the long run. The other videos in this series will dive deeper into the topics I've talked about today, so please keep an eye out for those, as well as many other topics that I'm hopeful will be helpful to you. Finally, us lawyers are a needy bunch, so if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe, as it would mean a lot. And please let me know any comments that you have on this video, or if you have any other suggestions for future content or topics, just let me know in the comments so we can follow up. Thanks for listening.